Now, next thing we're going to do is you're going to put your hands behind your back, and you're going to be placed under arrest for DWI, okay?
Wait, what?
Yep.
No.
Put your...
No.
Stop.
No. Wait,
Yeah.
what?
Stop. Stop.
What?
Listen to what he's saying.
Wait, what? Can I ask
He
you
just told you.
Alright. I appreciate that. Sorry, do you have your phone?
Go, how's that?
It's occupied one time by a female.
Bridgie.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Everything okay?
County 3880.
It's the police department. I have my camera on just so you're aware. What's going on today?
Good.
640. 64 copy.
You're what?
I'm hanging out.
You're hanging out? You know where you are?
Officers find Victoria
You're
sleeping
here.
in her car.
Okay.
When
Do you have
she
your
wakes
license
up,
with you?
she claims she's just hanging out. But when asked simple questions, things get confusing fast.
Front. Victoria, right? Victoria, somebody called your car in when you were on North Road saying that it was they were a little concerned with the way you were driving.
Who said that?
Passing motorists, they were very concerned with the way you were driving. So.
Okay. I don't think so. That happened, but okay.
Okay. Do you know where you are right now?
Yes.
Where?
I'm here.
You're here. Where are you coming from?
What?
So where are you, before you were here? Where were you? Where are you coming from?
I was at my friend's house.
Do you know where that was?
Long Valley.
In Long Valley?
Yes.
And where are you trying to get to right now?
I'm gonna go to her house.
You're going to her house? Where do you live?
Not here.
No, I would imagine not. You're on the side of the road.
Right.
So where do you live?
It's not here.
Not here.
I'm not gonna stay here.
Well, you're also. I'm not. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Not a lot.
Not a lot. Okay. Well, how much is not a lot?
Not a lot.
Okay, Victoria. I need you to step out of the car for me. Okay.
Okay.
1-0.
Receive 1 out.
She thinks she's in a completely different town and denies falling asleep. The officer asks her to step out to
Step
ensure
right back
she's
here for
safe
me,
to
okay?
drive.
All right. You looked like you were falling asleep when I walked up to the car. Is that the case? No? You weren't falling asleep in the car?
No, I was not.
Okay. You have your glasses on, right? Can you see without them?
No.
Not at all?
No.
You're completely blind?
Correct.
So do me a favor real quick. Just take your glasses off.
Okay.
Can you see my finger here?
Yes.
You see it? Touch the tip of my finger for me. Very good. All right. Wherever my finger goes, follow my finger, okay? Don't move your head, okay? Eyes in your eyes only. Follow my finger, okay? All right, keep following it. Keep your head straight for me, all right? Just your eyes. Okay. Keep following it wherever it goes, okay? Can you see my finger as I move
Yes,
it?
of course I can.
Okay, because your eyes aren't really following it, so that's why I'm asking.
just
Okay.
I can.
All right. I'll try again, okay? We're going to
Okay,
start
sure.
again. All right. Don't move your body or your head, just your eyes, okay?
Oh, got it.
I'm going to go up, keep following.
She claims she can't see without glasses, yet follows the finger perfectly
I
until
see
she
you're wearing
doesn't.
your sandals there, okay? You can do
The
this next
officer
test with
moves
your
on to
sandals
the
on, and you
walk
can
and
take them
turn
off if you'd
test.
like, okay?
What should I do?
I'm going to explain it to you, all right? Do you have any injuries?
No.
No? Is there anything like
No.
that? No? Okay. All right. So we're going to pretend there's a line here, all right? So I want you to put your left foot on the line. You can do it now. No. You stay there. No, there you go. Put your left foot out, just like that. All right, put your right foot in front of your left, just like that. Heel to toe. See how I have my feet? Is that what? Okay.
You said my left.
Yeah, but you're going to
This
put
is
your...
my left, this is my right.
Correct. So I want you to put your right foot in front of your left, just like I have mine, okay?
Okay.
Johnny checking 47
All right.
first.
When I ask you to begin, not before, you're going to take 9 steps, okay? And you're going to take heel to toe. You're going to touch heel to toe on each step. So it's going to look like this, and you're going to count out... Whoop, hold on. Don't do anything until I tell you, okay?
Can you go
Right
touch
foot in
that
front of
real
your
quick?
left. You can do that right now. Stay like that until I ask you to move, okay? When I ask you to move, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps, touching heel to toe on each step. All right? You're going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right? On your 9th step, you're going to turn around. You're going to take 9 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You gotta count out loud the whole time. Keep your hands down your sides the whole time, okay? You understand? Okay, why don't you begin? And then take 9 more back, okay?
Sure.
Okay. All right. Come back here.
Sure.
There you go. Last test we're going to try, okay?
Can I please go home?
Finish
I
doing
would
my
like
job,
you to
okay?
do your
All
job.
right, stay right there. Don't.
Frustrated and failing the tests, Victoria
So,
makes a demand
right
she
or
will
left
soon
foot, we
regret.
established you know your right and left.
Yes,
so
I do. I know that.
whichever foot you want, you're going to pick that foot 6 inches up off the ground like this. You're going to count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. All right. Come back here for me.
Sure.
All right. Last test we're going to do.
Sure.
You can put your glasses on, okay?
I don't want to do that.
Hold on, stay over here. You can put your glasses on. I don't want you to drop them.
What should I do?
Put your glasses on.
Why?
I'm asking you to.
See it.
Now, next thing we're going to do is you're going to put your hands behind your back, and you're going to be placed under arrest for DWI, okay?
Wait, what?
Yep.
No.
Put your...
No.
Stop.
No. Wait,
Ma'am.
what?
Stop. Stop.
What?
Listen to what he's saying.
Wait, what? Can I ask you?
He just told you.
Oh, I appreciate that. Sorry. Do you have your phone or your purse or anything like that in your
It's
car?
all my. Wait, can I ask why?
Because you're under arrest for DWI.
Why?
Because that's the law. You just told me you want me to do my job, right?
The handcuffs go on. She wanted him to do his job,
That's not too
and
tight.
he did. But she
We're
still
gonna make
doesn't
this a little
understand
tighter. You
why
got
this
some
is
tiny
happening.
wrists. Stay right there. Don't move. Stay there. Don't move. Thank you.
You said your purse is in the
It's all my car, yes.
It's in the front seat, back seat? Okay.
Keep looking like that. I don't want you to,
Can I ask why you're doing this?
because it's my job, and we just established that you want me to do my job. So that's what we're going to do.
I didn't do anything.
Well, you were sleeping in your car, and you did not pass your tests. So go over here for me.
Okay.
Watch the curb.
Crazy. Okay.
All right. There's a step there you can push yourself
Yeah,
up.
I don't have.
Perfect. All right. Just let me get the seatbelt here.
No, you're good. No, it's fine. You don't have to do that.
Well, I do. Everybody's got to wear a seatbelt in the car.
Johnny 4764, action notified.
Watch your elbow, okay?
Okay.
So purse,
phones up front there, and then you have your ID. Right?
Yes, correct.
Key fobs on the dash. I'll start with the impound stuff.
Okay, you want to wait here? You want to come back with me?
Sure.
All right.
I'll hold it.
You want to hold it?
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, I'll just, right here. I was just going to put it in here.
This thing opening? No, I wasn't either earlier. I'll come around and open it up.
No, I'll just go around and open it. I don't know why I was doing that. Just go open that before, well, then I'll let her out.
Canada from 1913.
1913, go ahead.
Come on, Eric.
Apparently there's a party on King's Court. Probably had no